Hadian kembagatukan ni kenta ke Jing Shoh jong Vice President jong Nehusu usamla ista sotun ubala kena bawla Shoh akibreu jong Abvp nakaliang jong ketika konhon Abvp kalau ya banyak kendo bat kilat patai kobor harjan mit jong arpa santrik hasilong press club ban Pynshai Halor ke Jing kena jong ka nakaliang jong State Secretary jong ketika organisation ka Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad utenku Marak ulong bagani ke Jingkynnoh jong ista kalong kebam song nong rem satya Ulang ru bakat bagi tang yat ke jing shat holy jengki ladon ke basawut ki pasdang bandra kati ya we ni ki samla pule da ki tiar pen mansau kat bagi dang ilek kemen Shoh na kaliang jeng utei no yalam ula kenno ru bagi te ki breu ki ladon jing tumul pa na dut nengkong ban pen mi jing ya huri hura hakati ke jing ilek kemen ulang ru bau kamlesh u klem ra kati yanu ru hendai ula lej ban pen jai hakati ke jing jia.
I'm the State Secretary of Abvp Meghalaya. So here now we are for the press conference regarding the allegation made by the Nehusu Vice President against the Abvp organization. As we all know that, so the recent press has been given by him. So we have seen that in his press conference, it was completely forced and packed. So he gave a statement that the incident had happened in the new campus during the Holi celebration. Actually, I was also there from the beginning till the end. So the statement given by the Vice President of Nehusu against the Abvp is completely false, and it is 100% completely false because we were celebrating very well and peacefully. We all were enjoying in the celebration of Holi, but in the middle of the celebration, they came to uh, the sport and they attack the somebody else, means the one guy. So we don't know what is going on. But after a few minutes, we saw that there is a conflict going on and there is a fighting going on. So we ran up to that and we tried to save that guy. But in his statement, he said that so a BBP member beaten him up and attacked him. But it was completely false, and he'll have to prove who actually beaten him up. Otherwise, we'll file a defamation case regarding this because he blame our organization. He take our organization without knowing the fact. And my question is to him because he said that a BBP member attacked him. Who actually attacked him? Give the name of the person who exactly attacked him. And the we received the information that he made an allegation against the ABVP organization. So he said that we attacked them before. I mean first, but we were in the sport and we know each and everything. I was in the program from the beginning till the end. So the security was also told us that they called to them and they the vice president of Nehusu called them to come to the sport because he said that there is something going to happen in during the celebration of Holi. It means they have a pre-planned, they have met and common intention among them to attack during the celebration of Holi festival. So the statement given by him is completely wrong and is 100% false. And he said that he was in hospital. We don't even touch his body. Nobody touched his body. How can he say that he was hospitalized now? He got injured. We don't believe that. And he'll have to prove. And I want to say, if he knows that it was attacked by the ABVP member, why he did not file an FIR against a particular person? Because the court will bring the justice. Court will reveal the truth. So I want to say it is a completely false and wrong, and they are playing a politics against the ABVP organization because they are trying to bring the bad names to our organization, and they'll have to prove who actually attacked the organization. Will file a defamation case against them. So thank you very much. Kamlesh was not fighting against him. Okay, So we were in the midst of the confliction, and we were trying to save the guy. Okay, one guy was one guy was getting beaten him up, and we were trying to save him during the conflicts. It was wrong. No, he was also trying to control the the situation. He didn't attack anyone. He didn't start any quarrel. He didn't start any conflicts during the celebration of Holi. No, see, I was invited by my friends. So because and in his statement also he said that he was attacked by Hindu people or Hindu organization. I'm also a Christian. Okay, so I was also a part of that program because my friends invited me. So from the beginning till the end, I was also there. Okay, so I was just talking to my friends, but suddenly we saw the the fighting, and we ran to that spot, and we try to control the situation, and we try to save that guy who was getting attacked. Have any idea how it started? Because I have already mentioned that in my statement, because they had made a pre-plan, no, to attack during the celebration. Because security was also told us that they called them before before starting the program. They have called to the security to come to the spot and told them that there is something going to happen during the celebration. That means they have made a pre-plan. We can understand that hammer to attack us. Everyone shows that they are trying to attack with a hammer. Everyone shows that. Everyone can witness that. Even security also. And he was saying that he got injured. At the time of coming back, he riding bike. I saw him with my own eyes. He cannot say that he got injured and he was hospitalized. And he was showing that his torn t-shirt, right? So it was not correct, we can say that time to okay everything. Actually I saw 3 4 guys who are fighting.
Even
Yes.
like that which we make a building. So he even try to beat that one person. So that time we have to save because in our program they came to do this thing. So we have to save. So that's why we save them.
Now how can he say that we attack them first? What logic they are using? If they bought material like this, nobody can believe that. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. We didn't see that.
Actually, he thought that Kamlesh Singh is also from the outsider, but he is studying in Jingkynnoh, but Jingkynnoh is inside the Nehu. Okay, so I think even Chatsukra, Bedenklam, or like a Christmas celebration also, everyone can come. Even from Sai, from SOT, from any department, they can come together and celebrate the program. So he thought that Kamlesh ji is from outside. He is not studying. So that's why we don't know, we didn't see that who is attacked first, okay, for that, because we are busy in the celebration of the holy program. So that's why after that, because we are celebrating in that program, okay, so if someone is fighting there, so we have to control them. So that's why he also controlled them, but he didn't touch him. He didn't fight with him. So we don't know actually. He already told before that. Even security also tell us that before they get a call from the Nehusu only. So they came, but there will be something will happen there. So it means they have some plan. We didn't call the security, but the place we have that program, even they have another place. But why they came to our place to do that means the bad thing.
And also they bought